In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments and start accepting credit cards seamlessly. If you're just getting started with your Shopify store, this is a crucial step to ensure you're ready to process payments efficiently and securely. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. You'll see a tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the back-end configurations of your store. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll find an option called Payments. Click on it to move forward. This is where you'll manage everything related to how you receive money from your customers. Now that you're in the Payments section, you'll see a button for Shopify Payments. Click on Activate next to it. This will initiate the setup process. Here, you'll need to provide some important information. Start by entering your business details. This includes the legal name of your business, address, and any relevant tax information. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any hiccups down the road. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. Shopify needs this to verify your identity and ensure everything is secure. Typically, this includes your name, date of birth, and possibly a government-issued ID number depending on your region. After you've completed your personal info, it's time to add your bank account details. This is where your hard-earned money will be deposited. Enter your bank account number and routing number and double-check to make sure they are correct. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Complete Account Setup. Now that your Shopify Payments account is active, you'll want to enable credit card payments. Under the Shopify Payments section, you should see an option to enable credit cards. Toggle this option on to start accepting major credit cards like Visa and MasterCard. You can choose which cards you want to accept, so make sure to select the ones that are most relevant to your customer base. Additionally, you have the option to enable other payment methods such as PayPal. This can provide more flexibility for your customers, allowing them to choose their preferred payment method. If you want to add PayPal or any other payment gateways, simply follow the on-screen instructions to integrate them with your Shopify store. Once you've made all your selections and configurations, don't forget to click Save. This will ensure all your settings are applied and your store is ready to accept payments. And there you have it. You're now set up to accept credit cards and ready to make sales on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling!